Smart W-4 adjustments. Get more money on every paycheck. Have you ever wondered how to take home more money from your paycheck? Understanding the W-4 form is a great place to start. This form tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your earnings. By making smart adjustments, you can increase your take-home pay, but it requires careful planning to avoid surprises at tax time. First, let's talk about the basics. The W-4 form has changed over the years. It no longer uses allowances. Instead, it asks for details about your filing status, dependents, and any extra withholding you want. Your filing status, whether you are single, married, filing jointly, or head of household, affects how much tax is withheld. If you have multiple jobs or your spouse works, it is important to fill out a W-4 for each job. This ensures that the right amount of tax is withheld from your paychecks. If you claim dependents on Step 3 of the W-4, it can reduce the amount withheld. This is because it accounts for credits like the child tax credit. Now, let's get into how you can adjust your W-4 to see more money in your paycheck. First, accurately claim any dependents you have. If you have qualifying children or other dependents, be sure to enter them on the form. This can significantly reduce your withholding. Next, if you or your spouse have more than one job, use the W-4's multiple job worksheet. This helps you adjust your withholding correctly and prevents over-withholding. If you have side income, like gig work, or if you itemize deductions that exceed the standard deduction, you can adjust your withholding to reflect that. If you want to avoid owing taxes at the end of the year, you can request extra withholding. This means you can ask for additional amounts to be taken out of your paycheck. Using the Internal Revenue Service tax withholding estimator is a great way to find out how much you should withhold based on your entire financial picture. For immigrants managing finances, adjusting your W-4 can help with cash flow. More take-home pay means you can cover expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries more easily. It can also help you save for visa fees or legal costs. Building credit is another important aspect. Having consistent income and managing your withholding well supports good financial habits. This is essential for establishing a solid credit history. Additionally, if you want to send remittances back home, having more money in your paycheck can make that easier without causing financial strain. However, be cautious. If you reduce your withholding too much, you may end up owing taxes and possibly facing penalties when you file your tax return. Non-resident aliens have specific instructions for filling out the W-4, so it is wise to consult IRS guidance to avoid mistakes. Always remember to sign and date your W-4 form. Unsigned forms are considered invalid, and your withholding will default to the highest rate. By accurately reporting your filing status, dependents, and other income, you can manage your paycheck withholding effectively. This can lead to more take-home pay to help with your immediate financial needs while avoiding large tax bills later. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your W-4, especially after life changes, is a smart step toward financial stability in a new country.